Morning everybody. I'm gonna make a little treat for the kids tonight, and I just wanted to show you how super simple it is. You can do this, in just a few minutes when you get home from work, or you can prep it the night before. I'm gonna do a little take on a turtle dessert using Epicure's chocolate and salted caramel pudding. And what's so awesome about this pudding is it's healthy. I encourage you to grab, that Jell-O package out of your pantry and read all the ingredients. Let me tell you what's in Epicure's chocolate. We have organic coconut palm sugar, modified tapioca starch, organic cocoa powder, and a little bit of sea salt. 4 ingredients, amazing. So what I'm gonna do is just open up your pack of pudding, and you're going to just dump it into a bowl and add 2 cups of milk. I'm just using 2% milk, that's what we use in our house, but I've also made this with unsweetened almond or cashew milk, and it's delicious. So pop it into the bowl, and then you're just gonna work those muscles, and you're gonna whisk for 2 minutes. Or you can cheat and you can use that electric beater. Okay, so the chocolate is all whisked up and nice and thick, so I'm gonna do the exact same thing with the salted caramel now. So just open up your pouch, dump it in. Now this is gonna make a total of 4 cups of pudding. So if that's too much, you can half these recipes. So you would just do half a pouch with 1 cup of milk or unsweetened almond milk, whatever you've got in your house. All right, so whisk that up. Get those arm muscles working. Or again, like I said, you can cheat and you can use that electric beater, and you just do it on low for 2 minutes. Okay, so I've got my caramel pudding, I've got my chocolate pudding. Now what I do for an extra treat is I have brownies here. I make these ahead of time on Epicure's Petite Pan. It's a bar pan. It's fabulous. You put it on a cookie sheet in your oven, and you can really make any kind of 2-bite treats, granola bars, brownies. I've even done little mini quiche in here. It's high-grade silicone, so it just pops right out. It's fabulous. Each one does 30 bars. So I just do Epicure's cheeky brownie recipe, and then I put them in a Ziploc baggie and I freeze them. Great to pick out or grab for the kids' lunches, or perfect for this recipe. So grab a few of the cheeky brownies, and you're gonna cut them up into little tiny pieces here. So chop up, I would say, probably 5 or 6 of the cheeky brownies. Okay, so now we're gonna layer it. So taking a bowl, you're gonna take half of the chocolate pudding, and you're gonna put that as your bottom layer. All right, then in the middle, you're gonna take some of those cheeky brownies, and you're gonna sprinkle that all over the bottom layer, or the middle layer. See that? Oh, delicious. And then you're gonna top it with the salted caramel pudding on top. Cover up those brownies so it's like a hidden surprise in the middle. Okay, so good. It's nice to use a clear dish because you can see the layers. How delicious is that? And it's super healthy because it's clean. It doesn't have all those additives and preservatives. And let me show you what I'm gonna top on top. Just let me grab it out of my pantry here. All right, Cocoa Crunch sprinkles. It's got organic cocoa buds and cinnamon and coconut. It's absolutely delicious. I'll do this before we serve it, and I'll just sprinkle it all on top. It looks like chocolate sprinkles. The kids love it. So I made this one today to take to my cooking class tonight. So I'm gonna be treating my ladies there. What I'll do with the kids a lot of times is I'll actually use our prep bowls. They come in a set of 4, and they have these fantastic silicone lids so you can store them in the fridge. And what I'm gonna do tonight for dinner is I'm just gonna do little individual layered desserts for the boys. So chocolate, a few brownies, top it with their caramel on top, like that. Pop on the lids, and there we go. I've got individual servings for the kids. These are fabulous too. And on the side of our prep bowls is your measurements from a 1/2 cup, 3/4 cup. So you notice that I actually use these same bowls for my measuring cups at home. Really great investment to have the prep bowls. So I hope you enjoy my take on a chocolate turtle pudding dessert. Enjoy.